Next question. Shalom Kol Rav. We're having the fast of Teves on Friday, which ends at the nightfall. I wonder, given we do not fast on Shabbos besides Yom Kippur, are we allowed to accept Shabbos early and break the fast early?
No, in this case, that's a very good question. So usually there are no fast on Friday, right? It's usually pushed off. Right? If it's a fast of Esther, and it's never Friday, I think, if I remember correctly. Right? So we push it on Thursday, I think. But this 10th of Teves is actually exception, and so we break the fast with Kiddush. It's not proper to accept the Shabbos early in this time. It's like it's like the only exception. So you accept Shabbos on time, okay, on time, and that's your first food. It's going to be this Kiddush wine. Right, so we pray. So it's actually. Can person do Kiddush and then pray Mariv? Technically, yes. Technically, I'm just thinking. I don't see any issues. So if you do Kiddush, for example, if a person prays at home, they can do Kiddush, right? Eat a little, and they can pray Mariv. There's no problem. But proper, of course. I mean, just wait a little more and pray Mariv and then do Kiddush, because this is the shortest fast, the shortest. I'm not sure what time it starts, but I don't know, like maybe by me maybe 6 a.m. I don't know, like very late, and then finish like 4 something. It's the shortest fast. Okay, and plus a person can drink something. So the law just to remind us. If person wants to eat before fast, there is no problem. Just has to get up. Like first of all, has intention that I want to eat. And if you want to eat a meal with bread, okay, nobody's stopping you. But you have to start minimum 30 minutes before this the dawn, right? Because with the dawn you have an obligation already start shacharis. And 30 minutes meaning that that you have enough time to finish to say Bircas Hamazon. If you're not going to eat bread, you're going to eat like cookies, cake, or cereal, or whatever you're going to eat. So you don't need you can start even in these 30 minutes, right? Right? Like even 10 minutes before. So right. So it's up to you. But if person wants to drink, there is no problem. Of course, it's proper to have intention. So to set my wife always sets an alarm. So she usually does not wake up so early, but she would set up alarm to drink, because otherwise she might have a headache. She would drink coffee, whatever she's going to drink, whatever. There is no problem. But I also just say, even if you did not have any intention to drink, and you woke up and you say, oh, it's actually 4:30. I have time to drink before the fast. There is no problem, because why? Because it's customary for people who wake up in the middle of the night to drink something, right? But to eat the full meal, not really. I mean, at least not for most of the people. But to drink, there is no problem. But usually, as I would say, like just like make commitment, like not commitment, like have intention. I want to wake up and drink. If you want to eat, so it's not the shortest fast, no problem whatsoever. So don't accept the fast earlier, but you can do with the lighting of the candles, of course. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Okay, next. Okay, this question is related to the bunch that collecting Tzedakah, a guy that collects Tzedakah, NHS that is collecting Tzedakah at night. at a place with a single woman's living. Oh no, sorry. About the fast of Teves. Sorry. Our friend says, if we accept upon ourselves to accept Shabbos a few minutes before the candle lighting, the candle lighting time, should they accept it earlier this week as usual?
No, it's not necessary. So just so we understand, we can eat or drink only after Kiddush. So as soon as we light the candles, we're not allowed to eat or drink, right? Until after we make a Kiddush. So if they light the candles as usual, still need to do Kiddush. So it will be approximately. For example, if a single woman would pray Mariv, for example, right? Okay, she can skip some parts, for example, right? So still, she's going to start this meal at the same time, plus minus. If somebody is married, until the guy comes home from the shul, so he goes there fasting, right? For example, in my shul, we're going to start 10 minutes earlier, I think, the schedule. Why? Because on the fast day, mincha. So before the accepting Shabbos, we pray weekday mincha. We still need to read from the Torah, right, on the fast day. So still, I'm even though we start 10 minutes early, still BeEzrat HaShem, I'm planning to come home at exactly the same time. Right, nothing changes. Okay. So and my wife, she's not going to make her own kiddush. She would make wait for me. Right, but technically, a woman. I'm just trying to cover all of the scenarios. A woman can make her own kiddush. She is not obligated to wait for her husband. So, for example, she has small kids, so she can make a kiddush and eat and feed them. I mean, she can feed them anyway, but right, and she's thirsty. She's pregnant. Okay, she wants to drink. Okay, so she makes her own Kiddush, right? Eat a little and drink whatever she wants, no problem. Okay, but otherwise the schedule this Friday is almost the same.
Thank you, everyone.
You're welcome.